Yo traders, what's good? If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you've already subbed up, you know the score by now. It's always love. So look, if you're new to the channel, you've probably seen all the videos, MambaFX strategies everywhere, and that's just basically what I do. Every day I upload me trading the live markets using the MambaFX strategy on the 5-minute time frame, the 1-minute time frame, and trading pairs like NAS100 and US30. The platform that I trade on is TopStepX. It's a futures platform, so you do need to pass a challenge before you can get paid. But if you feel up to the challenge, the link is in the description. Also, I trade the London session using Fusion Markets. Fusion Markets is the only Forex broker I advise anybody to use in 2025 if your country allows it. They're fully regulated and yeah, they're just a banging broker, so check them out. The link is in the description also. But yeah, with all of that said, let's get onto the charts and do some analysis. So it's Wednesday the 26th of February and it's just hit 2 o'clock, 1 minute past 2. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute time frame and look for some support and resistance. Look for areas that prices reacted from. So I explained to my students in Discord, well, I say my students, I don't know, I explained to my people in Discord, this would be my whole area, my whole zone would be where prices reacted from as support, and now it's reacting from as resistance. So that's why I've marked up this whole area. It's not a breakout line. I'm not waiting for this place to get broken. I'm just expecting price to react when it gets there. And now I can move. My next one that makes the most sense would be like where we're at right now, really. Now, after I get my support and resistance, I look for breakout lines. In 15-minute time frame yesterday was beautiful. So I might actually mark up my breakout areas on the 15-minute time frame today and do it a little bit different. So we're just adapting to the markets, yeah. There's no right or wrong way. We can use this breakout strategy on the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week. It don't matter. So as soon as we get breaks, like breaking clean structure like this, boom, we get in. So basically, we're on these breakouts, yeah, I'm just moving with volume. So if it breaks to the upside, even though we're in a downtrend, if it breaks to the upside, I'm targeting previous structure. I really need to learn to actually do what Mamba does, and that's get the fuck in and get the fuck out, because he literally does like this. Boom, it breaks. He gets to there and he gets out because he's put so much on it. So I might start doing the same, you know, because the amount of times I've been faked out and the 5-minute time frame has pissed me off in the last week has been mad. I see myself in like £400-500 profit sometimes, and I just let it come back to zero. It's crazy. I know I'm break even, but it's a little bit mad for the psychology that. So I might just start taking what I'm seeing off the table, because when I watch my videos back on YouTube, I'm like, damn, I really let £400 slip like that after being hit a break even once already. Questionable moves. It was in this trend, and the trend line was getting respected, and I was kind of breaking out a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if price does boom to the upside today, even if it just takes liquidity and then comes back down, because I have to say in every single video, I just have to say it, right? I know this ain't a liquidity strategy video, but it all counts and it all, you know, adds up, the knowledge. So every time price gets pushed down like this and then comes up and pushed down again, what do you think's happening? People are selling and putting stop losses there. Big businessmen and stuff like that who, you know, ain't got time to be scalping like us. They just see us in a downtrend, and they're like, right, cool, I'm getting in on that. They just put their money on it, they let it run, and they put their stop losses anywhere above this price. Same way if they're buying in a buying trend and a bullish trend, they're putting their stop losses below the price. So price needs to take liquidity. When big movers come in, like the big banks and stuff like that come in, they take liquidity, they take everybody's stop losses and then go boom and carry on in the direction, or they just switch the trend. Doesn't matter, but it happens pretty violently and quick. So you got to be ready for anything when you're trading this breakout strategy.
Order fill.
So yeah, that's a bit of volume. I'm happy with the amount of volume. So I entered with 3 micro contracts, because that's roughly around that 50 pip stop loss, I think. 44, yeah, close enough. So we target these bottoms there, and I'll just add when we get a bit deeper into profit if it goes that way.
Order fill.
Cool. Back to 250. Give it a little bit of breathing room still.
Order fill.
Right, cool. So I just been stopped out. Big ass wick. But damn, that shit happens all the time. That was a clear fake out. If anything, I should have been at break even there. Instead of adding more, I added a bit too hasty. Was expecting it to melt. So yeah, we just gotta wait, really. Just wait for this fucking 15-minute candle to Show us what it's doing. So yeah, I've realized lately as well, like on the first 15 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever, the first few candles have been moving sketchy before just absolutely doing their thing. That was a big ass engulfing, but like I keep saying on NAS100 and US30, these fucking engulfings mean nothing. Most people now would be like, oh, it's an engulfing candle at a support, it's going up. But I don't really care. That's not how it works with these pairs. These pairs are sketchy as fuck. See, I can't even say, oh, it was a rejection wick, so it was liquidity, I'm going to buy in. Because it's pretty much equal on both sides. Look, both wicks are like equal. So it just doesn't really know what it wants to do. In these times, I'm just going to have to remove my drawings, go back to the drawing board, and mark up some fresh breakout lines, I think. See which way it wants to take us. So as you can see, it's doing fuck all. Absolutely fuck all. It is what it is. I tell people all the time as well, don't worry yourselves. Set yourself 2 trades a day rule. You know you got another one to play with then. And just wait. Because it will show where it wants to go after it fucks around and does a bit of crazy stuff. So if you're still in the game when it does show, you can get back involved.
Order fill.
So yeah, only reason I entered is because it did break with a bit of volume. But I'm targeting the tops. It's probably asking for a bit too much with this pair, to be honest, this week, because for some reason it's moving like shit. Taking my stop away and I'm going to close out manually. I'll tell you why I'm closing out manually as well. Because it came so close to stopping me. It was pips away and it was like breathing on it again on the stop loss. It was about to stop me and then still carry on kind of thing. Just because of where this EMA is placed. Like, you see this EMA is there. My stop loss was pretty much there. And I just thought, yeah, it's going to stop me and carry on and be a bitch. So I've just seen it do that 100,000 times in the last fucking how long I've been trading this stuff. So what we're looking like on a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I'm not asking for too much by targeting them tops. No matter how much I try and change up to different time frames, higher time frames, I always end up on these little sketchy, fucking volatile 1 minute time frame, man, because I just get drawn to it. I think it's like the quick decision making thing, you know what I mean?
Order fill.
So just think of this as aggressively trailing a stop loss, right? So now the top turns from like 5 bills to a bag. We are pushing nice. We are pushing nice. Do you know what? Do I do what I said I was going to do and start taking money off the table?
Order fill.
Fuck it. I'm taking that off the table and I'm not done. I'm actually not done. So I took that off the table because I said to myself I was going to stop seeing myself get into like 200, 300, 400 profit after taking a loss or a break even and leaving it there. That's why I done that then. Am I done for the day? No, I'm not done for the day. I want one more trade, one more aggressive scalp. But yeah, see what I'm saying? I'm lucky I did close out. It's like you get an intuition for this stuff. And you know, like shit's about to pull back pretty heavy. I wanted to hit that bag. And I do believe it's still going to get to that level. But I don't know that for a fact. So I'm managing risk. That's what I'm doing. I'm managing risk. It might look scatty and sketchy to you. And like I'm fucking being really dangerous and stupid. But I'm actually managing risk, believe it or not. Yeah, that's how I manage my risk. So we got some 1 minute support and resistance right there. See, look. Support, resistance. I feel like I'm in my zone on the 1 minute time frame. I know it's hectic and crazy, but I do feel like I'm in my zone on the 1 minute time frame. I'm not gonna lie. Why is that? Is that because I got no spreads and I can just control shit quicker? I think that's what it is. I'm a control freak maybe. I need to fucking be in control all the time. And with the 15 minute and stuff, it feels like I'm swing trading maybe. I don't know. That is rejected that EMA twice.
Order filled.
Yeah, rejected that EMA like a butte. When you get 2 rejections of an EMA like that, it's telling you something. It's telling you I don't want to break past that EMA and I don't want to break past this support zone that we're at. I want to go up. So, yeah, let it go up.
Order filled.
Right, move to break even. See how much control I got with the 1 minute time frame? It's like I'm in my zone.
Order
461. Fuck yeah, that felt good. Yes, that's what I think. I'm truly a scalper in my heart. I can't mess with these 15-minute and 5-minute time frames as much, maybe. I don't know. I feel like I'm just in my zone in the 1-minute time frame. Swear down. I do. I really do. Am I done for the day now? Yeah, I can be done for the day now. That wasn't even like a MambaFX strategy thing there. That's simple, basic. Fucking support area, resistance area, support area. Yeah? Targeting previous structure to the left. That's what this purple line is. And yeah, just getting rejections off an EMA. On the 1-minute time frame. Even that alone you could use as a strategy. Look at it. Look at how many times he rejects the EMA. And this is a 20 EMA, mind. Look at this. Boom. Rejected it. Rejected it. Rejected it. Comes back above it. Boom. Rejected it. Honestly. Oh my days. And then look at that. Look at that. That's why you take your fucking profits. Oh, do you know what? It's news. It's news. Oh my days. I got out. I didn't even know it was news. Look at this in the bottom. Fucking high impact news and I didn't even know. Honestly, that could have went so bad, but it didn't. Look, if you enjoy these crazy intense videos, sub up.